The operatives of the FCT Command of the Nigeria Police Force have arrested 3 suspects who specialize in car snatching and robbery in Abuja and its environs. Parading the suspects, the FCT Commissioner of Police, CP Ben Igwe, said the operatives of the FCT Police Command on February 16, 2024, at about 3 p.m., and acting on credible intelligence, arrested 3 notorious and wanted car snatchers, namely David Junior Godwin, male of Port Harcourt, River State, gang leader; Paul Taju, male of Gwagwalada, Abuja; and Ali Shitu, male of Port Harcourt, River State. The commissioner said the suspects are members of a 4-man gang that specializes in interstate car theft and snatching. They are responsible for series of car snatching and the disappearance of several Hilux vehicles reportedly stolen in the FCT and its environs.
This one is another Hilux. This is the third one. So this one is the fourth. Belong to somebody. Let the owners come and claim them, please. This one is the latest Jeep that I was telling you. It belongs to somebody. Let the owner come up. They're about, you can see, they're about to change the color. They have already sandpapered it and remove the certain things so that they can reformat the vehicle. But we have gotten them. This one, there are 4. There are 4. They have repented this one. You can see, they are just finished repenting this one. So, that is what we have seen. We are begging the owners to come and claim their vehicle. This is Hilux number 5. It belongs to somebody. You can see, they have even done the painting it the black. We don't know the original color that is inside. But they have finished repainting it white. So, please let the owners come and collect them. This is a Toyota Corolla. You can see. Let the owner of this Toyota Corolla come up and collect it. This is Toyota Camry. This is Toyota Camry. Please let the owners come. They have debased them in order to.
The suspects come into FCT, perpetrate their heinous acts, and take the stolen vehicles to Port Harcourt to sell. He further said a master key and a total of 9 vehicles were recovered from them, namely a Toyota RAV4 car without a registration number, a Toyota Corolla car with registration number GWA 630AG, a Toyota Camry with registration number ABJ 307LK, a Lexus SUV Jeep with registration number KRD 949FM, and 5 white Hilux vehicles, all without registration numbers. The CP said the suspects confessed to the crime and are currently assisting the police in arresting other gang members at large.
Delta. Last year, sir. Since last year? 2 cars, sir. How?
How did you start?
After I graduate from school, I cannot really in details for now, but I cannot give in details, but I met someone that knows how to do it and he taught me how to do it. That's it. Wow, in Nigeria, it's difficult for one now. I cannot make out any regret for now until my quiet retreat before I can know what to do about it. If I know how to make any regret out of it. But for now, no regrets.
I'm from Plateau State. I'm a businessman. I was called to buy a car without knowing that the car was a stolen car. That is my case, to be honest.
Well, how long have you been buying vehicles from?
Only once. This is the first time.
How long have you been in the business of car dealing?
Just recently, I said, let me just start it. Just recently. I didn't know it was a stolen vehicle.
Also on February 23, 2024, At about 2:15 p.m., acting on credible intelligence, police operatives of the command from the anti-fraud unit arrested 2 suspects, namely Abdullahi Yahya, 35, male of Nasarawa State, and Gold Ebere, 53, male of Jabi, Abuja, at Tinkan Resort Garden in Jabi, Abuja, in possession of 36 bundles of fake $100 notes, totaling about 300,000 fake dollars. The police commissioner said the suspects confessed to be members of an 8-man gang who specialized in interstate sale of fake dollar notes and have sold several of the fake notes to unsuspecting residents of FCT before they ran out of luck and were apprehended. The suspects are currently assisting the police to apprehend other gang members on the run.
Arrested them with these dollars, and because we are still arresting more. So the residents, when you see this type of dollar, you may not know the difference.
I get paid to fee changer for them. Now I tell them say which kind of dollars, because that time I don't know this kind of money. I tell me see that money. I say okay, let me ask somebody. When I order if he get person who go fit changer. After I ask that person, the person tell me say the dollar na correct one. I tell him say the dollars they get fake one. He tell me say yes. So say me I don't know fake one because I never see the dollar ma for. I just now somebody call me and me I don't know. You see me find who go change am for am. Tell me say the day when he dey free, my call am. Me go see the money. After that he come call me say he dey free. Today na Saturday we need day work. So me will go where the money dey. After we go there, the people call us go some place inside Mongrel like this. No be house. Why we then bring the back? The man come lose the back, carry the money give me. Call give the man. Want me I follow and go. The man say, hey, see what I tell you. I say na correct one. This one no be correct one now. I say okay.
Well, are you a registered bureau de change operator?
Now?
Are you a registered bureau de change operator? Then you get company, you change dollar.
Me? Yes. No. I tell you, say the man call me, my helper, check who. He said that somebody give him my lumber. Me? No.
How did they call you when they just call you when you know they do it?
You know, say me before, I dey do work for Dantata. Now I tell order I know big man one now for road like this for Dantata that time. So after we go there, the man say, you know, go fee use this money, you know, we carry them where they change because this money as he say I know we correct one. Now then they tell me say, I beg, they find money where they go eat and transport the people there for just. Now I tell them say, me I don't know where from now come. He say na just. And if I enter just, I may have to say so person like this just. I may have to know because now only call me. If you know because of form, you don't know me, I don't know you. And because of me, mama I get my own, I make me green. Me and you will talk. I just say understand me. From there, now they beg, say I beg, my help them beg for Oga, may give them money, what they will take it and transport. Because they put her up for that money.
Okay, so how will they take work? So how will